Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a special payasam. This is called Ethakka Payasam or Kerala Banana Payasam. The ingredients I am going to use for this recipe is 3 Kerala bananas. You can see that the bananas are quite ripe. It's better to use ripe bananas. Jaggery, I am using Jeera powder, cardamom and coconut milk. Here I have taken 3 packets of coconut milk, which is about 600 ml, and some cow's milk. The cow's milk is optional. Now few ingredients that I missed showing is cashew nuts, raisins and ghee. So guys, I've roughly chopped the bananas. I'm going to microwave this with little water and then smash it. Guys, while the banana is in the microwave, I'm just going to powder this jaggery and make it smaller pieces so it's faster to melt it. I'm just adding half a glass of water, just very little, just to melt the jaggery. So the jaggery is melting and the banana is getting cooked. Now I've microwaved this for about 6 minutes. I'm just going to slightly mash it. The jaggery is melted. I've taken some dry coconut here and I've chopped it. This is completely optional. If you want, you can add. It just enhances the taste. So I'm starting the cooking process. Here I've taken a heavy bottom pan. I've added 3 tablespoons of ghee and I'm adding few cashews to it. I'm going to fry this till it becomes golden brown. So once the cashews have turned brown or golden, I have added the kismis or the raisins. I'm just lightly frying this till the raisins become plump, and then I'm going to keep it aside. Now ensure that the raisins don't burn because that will change the taste of the payasam. So it should just turn plump. So I've chopped these dry coconut which I'm going to fry in ghee till it becomes a light brown. So now it's become golden brown and I'm going to transfer this. Ensure it does not burn. I've broken the cashews into smaller pieces. I'm adding the cardamom pods. I've just smashed it a little so that it just opens, but the seed shouldn't come out. To this I'm going to add the smashed banana. So I'm just going to fry this in the ghee till all the water content of the banana evaporates. About 5 minutes or so. Add the melted jaggery, just straining it and pouring it into the banana. Now let it cook in this jaggery syrup for some time till it starts to boil, and then we're going to add the coconut milk. So now you can see that the syrup is started to boil. At this point I'm going to add the coconut milk. I'm using the Tetra pack simply because I was just too lazy to make fresh coconut milk and it is a process. Now if you're going to use fresh coconut milk, obviously that's going to taste much tastier than this, but this too is not that bad. Now if you're using fresh coconut milk, ensure to use only the first extract because that is a thicker consistency of the coconut milk. So you want your payasam to have a thicker consistency, so you have to use the first extract. I'm just rinsing the Tetra pack with some cow's milk. Keep stirring it, and once it boils I will be adding the Jeera powder. Now the payasam is started to boil. I'm going to add half teaspoon of Jeera powder to it. Keep stirring it so that the Jeera powder gets dissolved into the payasam. As you can see, the powder, it just forms those lumps. So just keep stirring it so that it gets dissolved. And another thing is you need to keep stirring the payasam so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan, and then it would alter the taste of the payasam. So guys, at this point you can taste your payasam to see if the sweetness is fine. If you find it too sweet, you can add some cow's milk as well to reduce the sweetness. And you can boil the payasam till it reaches a little thicker consistency. Now in my case, I had to boil it probably for around 3 to 5 minutes only, because I used the Tetra Pak, which does have thick milk. And then once the consistency is fine, you can add in your cashew, kismis and dry coconut. Give it a nice stir and you're ready with your payasam. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing me make this. It tastes really yum. Please do try it. Let me know how it turned out. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.